Estelon was founded in 2010 during a family breakfast. Alfred, our father, decided to show his creation, the very first prototype of Model XA.
Starting from 80s, I was built more than 100 different models of different speakers. The idea to build the Estelon speakers was born from the experience, from all this previous experience.
Our R&D and factory is located in Tallinn. Tallinn is capital of Estonia. Estonia is a very nice place to live in, and it's a very good place to have a company here too. It's a tiny country, yes, but despite that fact, we have managed to attract many talented people from IT sector to develop technologies that we use in Estelon today. Estelon designs the best speakers in the world, and it doesn't mean that it's only the best sound, it's also about the physical appearance. So for us, the harmony in design is the most important one. As Alfred likes to say, when he designs the speakers, he thinks about the function first, and then he adds a little line and they are ready.
Estelon's first model was model Estelon XA. This speaker uses different technologies, new material. This material is a marble-based composite material. It's a property of our company. The idea of this shape, if we use a big driver like woofer, we need volume. If we use a crossover point quite lower, we can use this driver position nearest of the floor. For the upper part of the speaker, for the producing the sound above the bass, we use a mid woofer and tweeter. And for these drivers, it's very important to have very correct body or shape. Because these surfaces not flat, not parallel, we reduce all possible reflections. If you look to the profile of the speaker, you see that we have the curves on the front, on the rear part, and upper part again it's with angle. And all this configuration make the right timing between mid woofer and tweeter and woofer part. It's because these drivers is in similar distance from the listening point.
As soon as we introduced the speaker for the first time, and after seeing like a real positive feedback from the people, we knew that this is something very special. And this was the moment where we realized that we're doing the right thing.
Ideas born in XA used now in all Estelon speakers. The YB model is our smallest floor-standing speaker. It's built for the smaller rooms. We decide to turn woofers inside. In this way, we have less reflections from the walls. You remember this, in smaller rooms, we have more space for place the speaker. Usually it's more close to the wall. If we turn these woofers inside, we have more clear voice reproduction, for example, mid-bass reproduction and then bass reproduction. Our flagship model is Estelon Extreme. We was used all our knowledge, all information, all the best components and parts for the building this speaker. Extreme is a four-way design. We use two woofers with aluminum sandwich construction membrane, mid woofer with same construction, and mid-range with ceramic membrane, and diamond tweeter. Diamond tweeter is the best because it's the hardest membrane. It's very light and strong. No dynamic distortions, no harmonic distortions. We decide to make the height of mid-woofers, mid-range and tweeter blocks adjustable. With this, we can looking for the best position for the listening in the room.
Estelon speakers need a lot of attention, and they're all handmade here in Estonia. Every detail is carefully selected, tested, measured, and very important, listened to. So all the speakers, when they are ready, actually go through the listening test. And none of the speakers is leaving the house without Alfred signing the passport that the speakers have passed all the tests, including his listening tests. Our goal in Estelon is to always develop the best speakers, so our R&D department is never sleeping. They're always developing something new. And for us, there are no obstacles. We believe that everything is possible, and this has helped us to actually innovate and create new things. So, with the same idea, we'll continue developing new speakers, the best speakers.
With Estelon, I achieved a best sound, best speakers, and best team with all our great specialists and with my daughters Alissa and Christina.